Hello, and thanks for joining today's video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable mobile data access, specifically for the Reelshort app on your Android phone. This helps save mobile data by restricting the app to Wi-Fi only. Let's get started with unlock your Android phone and locate the Reelshort app icon on your home screen. Press and hold the Reelshort icon until a small menu appears. From the menu that appears, tap on App Info. This will take you to the App Settings page. On the App Info screen, scroll down and tap on Data Usage. Finally, scroll down until you see the option Disable Mobile Data. Turn this option on to restrict mobile data access for Reelshort. That's all for this quick tutorial on disabling mobile data for the Reelshort app. If you want to save data or prevent the app from using mobile data, this method works perfectly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.